You can see all these teams are generated and all these teams are completely based on Dream 11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very powerful and accurate. Hi guys, how is it going? This is Believer01 back again with another video. So in this video we are going to generate the Grand League winning teams of today's match between Rajasthan Royals versus Delhi Capitals by using our beautiful team generator software. So in this video, first of all, we are going to analyze the data that we have. So based on the data, we will generate the Grand League winning teams. So first of all, let's analyze the data. So the probable playing 11 for the today's match between Rajasthan Royals and Delhi Capitals will be: from the Rajasthan Royals side, Manan Vahra, Josh Butler, Sanju Samson, Riyan Parag, David Miller, Shivam Dube, Rahul Tewatia, Chris Morris, Shreyas Gopal, Mustafizur Rahman and Chetan Sakaria from Rajasthan Royals side. And from the Delhi Capitals side, Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Ajinkya Rahane, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis, Simran Hetmeyer, Chris Woakes, Tom Curran, Ravichandran Ashwin, Amit Mishra and Avesh Khan from the Delhi Capitals side. The top players, let's come to the top players side from top players from both the sides. So from Rajasthan Royals side, Manan Vahra, Josh Butler, Sanju Samson and Chris Morris, because Ben Stokes is missing out because he has been ruled out of the this IPL season. And from the Delhi Capitals side, Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis and Chris Woakes. So let's analyze the captain potential players in point of view of our team generator software. So the players that we can consider as captain players from both the sides, let's analyze them. From the Rajasthan Royals side, Josh Butler, Sanju Samson and Chris Morris can be considered as a captain players, as well as from the Delhi Capitals side, Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw and Rishabh Pant can be considered as captain players. We can also include Marcus Stoinis here. That is also a good option. And let's come to the vice captain side as well. For the vice captain side, from the Rajasthan Royals side, Manan Vahra, Josh Butler, Sanju Samson and Chris Morris. And from the Delhi Capitals side, Shikhar Dhawan, Prithvi Shaw, Rishabh Pant, Marcus Stoinis and Chris Woakes can be considered as a vice captain potential players. So let's come to the pitch details. So the pitch will be a batting pitch, and that means a lot of scores will be there on today. So the total average score will be 170 for each side. That means we can expect anything around 350 plus runs out of 40 overs. That means it is a batting pitch. So let's analyze some of the specific points in point of view of our team generator software, which helps us to win the Grand Leagues. So the specific points will be, since it is a batting pitch and it is a low credit teams, both of them are low credit teams. So the total team credit range will be 98 to 100. At the same time, Delhi is a little stronger than RR, so we can go with 7 players from Delhi and 4 players from RR, as well as 6 players from Delhi and 5 players from RR. These two can be the best combinations. At the same time, the team combinations will be 2 wicket keeper, 4 batsmen, 2 all-rounder, 3 bowlers, and 3 wicket keeper, 3 batsmen, 1 all-rounder, 4 bowler. At the same time, 3 wicket keeper, 3 batsmen, 2 all-rounder and 3 bowler. These are the 3 combinations that helps us to win this Grand League. So by using all this data that we have just now analyzed, we will generate the teams by using our beautiful team generator software. So let's jump into our team generator software. Okay, this is how our software look like. And those who don't know about this software is the advanced team generation software. It supports multiple fantasy applications that include Dream 11, My Team 11, My 11 Circle and a lot more. And this software generates top quality teams because it uses a lot of techniques and algorithms in its background in order to generate the teams. So this is how it looks. First of all, we need to click on cricket team, and after that we need to click on generate teams. So those who want to use this software, or those who want to know about this software, you can contact me. I have already provided my contact details in the description box below as well as in the comment section below. So after that, we need to click on generate teams, and after that we need to choose the fantasy in which we are playing. That means you can select any of them, because I am selecting Dream 11. After that, we need to click on continue, and after that we need to choose the series in which we are going with. So I am going with IPL. So after that we need to click on continue again, and it is asking choose the type of generation. That means there are three sections here. The first two sections are quick grand league and quick small league sections. In this section you don't need to do anything, you just need to select the players that are playing. Everything will be taken care by the software. That means everything, captain selection, vice captain selection and credits, everything will be taken care by the software. But this is the third section that we are going to use in this video. So this is a more powerful section than both than the above two sections, because it requires little data from us. That means if we will add some data to this software, at the same time software will also work from its background in order to gives us the even more better teams. So those who don't have more cricketing knowledge, they can go with these two sections. Those who have good enough cricket knowledge can go with this section. So let's go with the advanced generation section. So after that we need to choose the teams in which the match is in between. Here RR versus Delhi Capitals. After that we need to click on continue, and it is asking us to enter the match number. You can give any match number, because whatever the teams you generate in the software, those teams will be stored in the device. That's why we need to give some match number in order to store all of those teams. Here I'm giving 55 as the match number. You can give any match number, that is no problem at all. And this software works completely fine on mobile as well. So after that we need to click on continue, and it is asking us to select at least 6 players from each side. We can select at least 6, that means at maximum 11 from each side, but at least 6 is important. So let me select all the players that we just now I have shown in the slides. So let me quickly select all of them. So let me quickly select these players, and from the Delhi side also let me quickly select the players. So these are the players from Delhi side. So after that we need to click on continue, and it is asking us to select the fixed players in your team. We can select any. That means the thing about this section is, whatever the players you select in this section, that player will be there in all the generated teams. So you need to be little more careful, because this is a very strong, very powerful section. That means whatever the player you select in this section, that player will be there in every team. So you have to be very sure if you want to select that player. Here I feel Shikhar Dhawan will definitely play in tomorrow again. That's why I'm selecting him, and at the same time Josh Butler also I'm selecting him. So after that we need to click on continue, and it is asking us to select the players you want to consider for captain. So I have already shown in the slides as well the players that I want, that I feel they have the potential to become the captain. I am selecting them again. And from the Delhi side I have already given you the players in the slides as well. These are the 6 players. And after that we need to select the player we want to consider for vice captain as well. Let me select the players that I have given in the slides. So these are the players that I feel they have the potential to become a vice captain. So these are the players. After that we need to click on continue again, and it is asking us the team partition strategy. I have already given you in the slides as well. Delhi is slightly stronger side than RR, so we are going little favor with Delhi, because team 2 is Delhi Capitals. So 4-7 and 5-6. After that we need to click on continue, and we need to give the credit range. I have already given you the credit range which suits best for our for this match, which is 98 to 100. So after that we need to click on continue again, and you need to select at least one strategy. That means I have already given you in the slides as well the strategy that we should go with, and those strategies are 2-4-2-3, 3-3-2-3 and 3-3-1-4. These are the strategies that we are looking to go with. After that we need to click on continue again. Sorry, this is the strategy 3-4-1-3. So 2-4-2-3, 3-3-2-3, 3-4-1-3 are the 3 strategies. After that we need to click on continue, and it is asking us to enter the number of teams you want to generate. here I would like to generate, you can generate anywhere between 1 to 3333, but let's 11 teams is completely fine, and it will definitely helps us to win the Grand League for sure. So let me quickly select the enter 11, and after that click on generate teams. You can see all these teams are generated, and all these teams are completely based on Dream 11 rules and regulations, and all these teams are very very powerful and accurate. And you can if you like, I hope you guys like this video. Those who want the software, I have already provided you the links, contact details in the description box below. You can contact me, there will be no issue. And I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, you can dislike this video. Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hot.